my channel, Jan Inspires. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Today, I have a different kind of video lined up for you. Before I get into all that, if you're watching me right now, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would really love your support. Please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay updated with all things Jan Inspires. Okay, so I'm a person who doesn't really show weight on my body, so it's easy for me to put on weight without noticing it because I don't really get fat. I think I just get heavy. So without me going on a scale, I don't really notice that I'm putting on weight. Anyway, I've been to the doctor recently, and when I looked at the summary, the prenup summary that you get after the visit, it showed that I'm overweight. I'm like, what the heck? Me? Overweight? Well, it says on there that I weigh 162 pounds. This is what I look like. Let me just take off my sweater. This is me right now. And I haven't really noticed I have any real problematic weight. Maybe just here I've noticed that I no longer have a flat tummy. But other than that, I don't really notice the difference in my body, and that's a problem. Because if I don't check my weight, I can sit here and get obese, and I'm not having that. Fat, where fat I go? Me don't want to get big and fat. I don't want to get too big. I want to stay healthy and I want to stay in shape. So I got myself a treadmill, and I got myself one of those exercise bikes that I saw going around on TikTok. I said, let me give this a try, and I'm gonna set up my little home gym. So that's what this video is about. I'm gonna unbox my treadmill and my bike and show it to you and just give it a test run. So stay tuned for that. So in order for the control panel, that area that holds the control panel, in order for that to stay up, you have to put in 2 bolts, and that's what I'm doing right here. I screw it with my hand first, and then I just take the provided Allen key to tighten the bolt. There are also these 2 large bolts to put in on either side of the treadmill. So this treadmill has a brushless motor, which means lower noise and lower maintenance. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the plastic off the handlebars and just show you a little bit of the features of the treadmill. Before I do anything, I'm going to make sure I oil
the running belt, and it's easy to do. I did some reading before I did this because I'm new to this stuff, and it just says to lift up the belt and put a little bit of oil on either side before running on it. So here's a control panel. You can put a tablet here and you can lay it down flat or let it sit upright. It's adjustable. And then we have three LED monitors, I think. One shows your heart rate, this one at the left, and then this one shows your running time in the middle, and the one to the right shows your speed. There's ample storage space as well. These slots, you can put your phone or you can put your water bottle. That red thing is a safety key. And for your handlebars, this left one, it actually tracks your heart rate while you're working out, and it has a start and stop button, so you can quickly start and stop the machine. Over here are your buttons to adjust your speed up or down. The running area is pretty decent. It's 40.2 inches long and 15.4 inches wide. Yeah, it also claims to have a silicone shock damping system which protects your joints during exercise. So the power button is right there on the bottom to the front. And I'm just gonna start the machine. When you start it, it counts up before it starts, and then it starts to time your workout. Also, when you stop the machine, it counts down, it does not stop abruptly. The machine has a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour, and it claims to use less power, so we'll see how that goes. Now for the squat machine I bought on TikTok. Let's unbox this little bike. I call it a bike. There's not much in the box apart from the machine. There's not many tools you need to set this up. There's not too many accessories going on. It's just the machine itself and a few things to put it together. The pedals are in this box. In that white box is the little cheap looking monitor, and you get a spanner and an Allen key along with a manual. So I'm just gonna try my best to set it up because it looks hella confusing. When I took it out of the box, it looked hella confusing. Here I am trying to figure out what should go where or what position this should be set up in. It looks so confusing, but by looking at the pictures in the manual and reading the manual, I was able to figure it out in no time. And it looks much harder at first than what it took to actually set it up. Once you figure out where to put what, then it's just a matter of tightening and connecting stuff. So the first thing is to find these two bars. One goes to the front on the bottom. They're like the feet. One goes to the front, one goes to the back. This is the cheap looking monitor I mentioned before. You'll see it on the machine when everything is set up. And then I figured out that I needed to connect the seat to this to this part right here, thanks to the manual. And I just followed the manual and used my spanner to tighten as I go. And then this long bar is supposed to be the connection for the handlebar. It was so easy to put in. You just push the bar into the hole and then screw that big knob in to lock it into place. This is the handlebar. It goes on top. It already has the screws inside it just for you to unscrew and then connect it to that bar. And use the Allen key and your spanner to tighten it onto the machine. And yeah, I did it. I had to do my little happy dance. Now for the pedals. You screw them in by hand first, and then you use your spanner to tighten them. And that's pretty much it. It's all set up and ready to use. And here are the two machines together, and I'm ready to go give these a test run. Okay, so I've finished setting up my equipment and now I'm gonna do my first workout. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little 20-minute run on the treadmill, testing it out for the first time. Let me just put on a headband over my hair, like so, and I'm gonna put on my waist trainer. There we go, and I'm gonna start running. Okay, so I'm gonna use the safety clip. I'm going to put the speed. Let's start. I'm going to put the speed at 2.5 miles per hour for now, or 3. Let's go with 3. Okay, I'm gonna put this up to 3.5 miles per hour. And I can still brisk walk. You do hear a little bit of shakiness, but it's still pretty stable. But I think I can put this to 4. My heart rate was 173 before I let go. Yeah. I finished my first 10 minutes. That was a good run. 10 minutes run at 3.5 miles per hour. I'm gonna drink some water and then get on the bike. I don't know how long I can stay on this for because it's really hard on the legs, but I'm gonna do another 10 minutes on the treadmill to finish off my workout. Okay guys, so I finished my workout. I did 60 on the bike and I ran for 10 minutes on the treadmill and then do a brisk walk for 15 minutes. I'm so tired, I'm sweating like a pig, and I'm about to go and take a shower. But in terms of my review for the treadmill, it really works and I would definitely recommend this. So if you want to find this item, it will be in my description, so just head on over to the description to click the link to Amazon. I got it from Amazon, so the link will be there.
As usual, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you stay up to date with my videos. And let's go on this healthy fitness journey together. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye.